Let's learn how to reduce animations and speed up your mobile. When we open applications, we can see a small animation preview. We can disable this animation preview and speed up our mobile. Let's learn how to do this. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down and go to accessibility option. Go to visibility enhancement option. In here, you can enable this remove animations option. Now let's check the difference. Now I press my home key. You can see no any animation preview. It closed very fast. Now I open again some application. It has not any animation preview. It opening very fastly. Okay, in this method you can remove your mobile apps animation and speed up your mobile.